Hello everyone and welcome to Modifying a Washing Machine with Luke. So today we're gonna modify this one. We're gonna modify it. So we're gonna change the motor, as you can see. And we're going to change the control module. So yeah, let's get started. So first we have to unplug it, otherwise you'll die. Then we're gonna pull it out. And then we're gonna tip it back. Cool. You tip it back, and then we have access to the bottom, as you can see. Next, we're going to get our socket, and we're gonna undo the old motor. Now I'm gonna need to access the back later, but there is a bolt underneath that I had to take off. So let me just do that. It's really awkward to get to, but we can do it, guys. So yeah, how's your New Year's, guys? Is it going well? This fucking bolt it's just silly. It's because this is broken. So it's really annoying. This fucking broken, I swear. It literally is broken. I'm gonna try a different one because the fuck. Girl. Do you guys ever just have a thought of when, like, you work on something, like, and it's like, like you're working on something underneath, do you ever have like a fear where it's just gonna fall on you? Because sometimes I do, it's so weird. Anyway, I got it off. Now I have to go to the back and I gotta unscrew the back and then do the bolt stuff. Because, yeah, welcome. Welcome! So I gotta go to the back now. Like so. Fucking can you see? Yeah. So we're gonna go to the back now and then I'm gonna unscrew the back to get to the other bolts. And I gotta take off some of the ring. So we'll do that now. Yeah, how was your guys' New Year? Please tell me. Because I'm actually really interested to know. What I did is I literally couldn't be bothered to meet anyone, so I just drank with my dad. So I'm hungover, but I have the motivation to mod this. Because I just do. I don't really know how I do it, but I just do. Like, you know, I don't know what I'm waffling about. This is gonna fall. I like that. So can you see the back? Can you see the back a bit? Can you see the back a bit? So this is the back of a washing machine, guys. But you won't see a washing machine like this anymore. With this, like, red thing. I'm trying to dumb it down for you guys because y'all don't know shit. No offense. But yeah, let me take off. I'm just taking the wire off. So for you electricians, this is a ground wire, which makes the machine not electrocute you. Then I gotta take the fucking plug out of the motor itself. There you go. And then I need to swap it again to take this off. I should probably put the extension on because it's just gonna hit that thing. But this is how loud it is. Fuck that. Just kind of up like so. Y'all, yeah, the motor is literally just mounted. It just kind of like wedges between these metal mounts, and then it's got these threads that just push through, which I'll let you know. And then fucking, yeah, see, I don't know if you can see, but let me just take these out. So this is what basically the motor, this is what supports this big fat motor. Get off. Okay, doesn't really want to. And then I'm gonna do the back one as well, which I can barely see. Go, and then nope, it just fell out. And then I have to I'll try and maneuver it this way. So then I gotta take these washers out because that's how like the motor kind of it just kind of wedges in, like literally that's it. Not all washing machines are like this. I don't know why this one's like that, but whatever, I won't say anything. Take these off. I can't be bothered to use a flat, so we'll just put it off with our finger. Okay, there, we don't need that mirror anymore. Where's the new one? Where's the other one? So there's literally like different brands for motors. That one's called a Nidec. The other one I'm playing is called a C-Set. There we go. You can see like they look different, don't they? But they behave the same. Behave exactly the same. But this one is actually louder. So yeah. But anyway, I need to pop the mounts in again. Like that. There you go. And then what do I need to? The thread thingies. I don't actually know how to call them, so like that. And then the other one, what is it? Where is the other one? I always lose stuff really easily. I don't know why. Where the fuck did it go? Where did the other one go? I swear to God. Where'd it go? Oh my God, I actually lose stuff. Oh, it's here. Oh my God. Anyway. It's better to do this while the machine is like, tilt it back. I can't lie. So I might do that. Yeah, you know what? Let's do that. Be right back. Actually, you know what? While I'm here, I'm gonna take the control board out. So if y'all didn't know, all control modules on washing machines, they actually behave differently, which is why I change them so often. And I think that's what people don't get, is like, all washing machines behave differently. Like, they're not the same. Like, yeah, the main goal is to wash your fucking clothes. But some of them don't wash properly, or they don't rinse properly, or they don't spin properly. Like, it actually matters how it acts. Which I just think is what people don't get. But yeah. You know what I need to do? I need to get a Sharpie and just like label what this is for. This control model is actually not for this specific washing machine model. It's actually for a different one, a higher end one. Because the spin speed is different. So I'll need to just label that quickly. It does work, it's just I don't really like it, how it acts. In summary, basically, it doesn't like wash for long enough. Because basically, how it washes is it spins one way and then it waits and then it spins the other way. For this, when it spins one way, it does it way too short, like literally for 3 seconds, 3 or 5 seconds. The other control module, does it for like 8, I think, 8 or longer. I don't know why this one is funny like that, but oh well, I don't really like it. Yeah, we're gonna put this one in. This is actually for this model. Pardon me. I literally know where all the connections go off by heart. Think of it like you're installing a fucking computer. Like, literally think of that. Like, you're literally plugging in the mouse and the fucking keyboard and shit. Think of it like that. Think of it like that. Like, literally, that's how it is. Anyway. I need to make sure that goes in right because it did error out. Let's pin time. But yeah, this component is literally a computer. It's like the brains of the machine, so as I was saying, these wires are so tangled. Like, I think it's because of how many times I've changed this. Like, I think I've changed it like 5 times now. I don't know. I've lost track. I might as well just clip these back in because I'm not really planning to change this anytime soon. Well, not yet, at least. Hold up. How about and then I can put it in. Yes. Sorry, it's just the cable management on this is really bad. Like, it's kind of annoying. Slide this back in, and then I'm gonna pop the clips on because yeah, this little cover is for reprogramming. I don't have the part for reprogramming, and it costs like, oh my god, like 500. It's a scam. But I'm gonna try and hack so then I can get it. And shit. Or maybe I'll just save up. Because I didn't want to. So then I will make this like so much easier. What? I'm trying to like clip the wires back in. I don't really have to. Because it's like, it's not like the drum's gonna hit it, but it's like, Okay, there. And I'll just pop this screw back on. That just like holds it in. Bum, 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 bum. I don't know why it uses a Torx compared to Philips for everything else, but I won't say anything. Look at that. It doesn't have to be tight. It just holds it in. That's the shit. Anyway, that's that. I'm hoping all the wires are in because I'm not gonna go back to this. But I'm sorry. I hope they're all in. I can barely feel shit. I think that in. Let's just say that. Let's just say that. Okay, now I gotta fucking. Okay, we're gonna go under. Okay. I just need like sew it myself. I'm gonna go under it again because I need to wedge the new mirror in. So let me just do that. So I usually wedge it in like. Oh my god, this is so. I wish y'all can see. But you get the point. Surely you get the point. Yeah, I need to fucking do that. So let me use this. And I'm gonna have to wedge it and then pop the thread in at the same time. Not all washing machines are like this, it's just this one. I don't know why, I don't know. But yeah. I get comfortable. Does that have to be under? I can't be bothered to like put the machine on this fucking back. That's just effort. Anyway. So it's literally like this. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pop the threads in at the same time. It's not really comfortable doing this at all, but you get the point. Ugh. Fucking disgusting. Put this in. Okay, one of them is in. It needs to go in a bit more. Oops. Oh my god. I don't know why it's so awkward to do that. That's just gonna fall. This needs to tilt up. Why is this not? Why is it? Oh my gosh. Why is it like that? What the fuck? Why is it? I don't know why it's only this one that's like this. Hey! Bitch. Oh my god. Let me redo this. Oh my god, my fucking arms. It was basically tilted. Yeah. Let me redo that. So it's supposed to go on like that. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna put one thread in. So at the front, I think it will be easier doing it at the front first. Like that. And then push it up. Like that. And then the other thread. Where is it? The other thread for the back. Oh my god, oh my god. wants to go all the way through. Come on. Okay, don't then. Okay, never mind. Wait. Did you hear that scream? What the f? Okay, don't then. And then one more. Go. And then. Oh, I didn't usually. Let me like adjust this so it's like that. Okay, that. Now we can put the bolt on again. Fucking where is it? And I need to use a shitty socket again. I don't like using it. Can someone buy me new socket set, please? That would be really nice for you. While I'm here, we'll plug the wires back in. I have access. And the ground. Anyway, the bottom. Hello, so we're at the back again. So you can see the threads, we're just gonna bolt them on because think about it, the vibrations, because washing machines have suspension. I literally know a person that didn't know washing machines have suspension, and I'm just like, girl, are you actually playing with me? Like how? These are not fully in as well. I don't know if this one is either. Oh no, it is. Okay, that's fine. Yeah, they literally don't know. There was shock absorbers and springs and everything. Like, bitch, come on. Come on. Like, duh, come on. Well, I'm not gonna judge, okay? I'm just not gonna judge. But you know when like someone doesn't have the same knowledge as you from a specific thing? Yes, kind of like that. It's tighten this bitch up. She really like gloves. Oh. Okay, then the belt. So think of it like you know fucking yeah, cars, they have a belt. Washing machines have a belt. What's that? So we're just gonna put that on like this. Give that a spin so it fucking straightens. It's straightened. That's it. Thanks for watching. As you can see, modification done.